So I've got my leaf blower here. Now when you do receive the leaf blower, you are going to get 2 batteries and a charger. The charger itself is just going to plug into the back of the battery itself. And then on the front, we've got a red button here. When we press that, it's going to let you know how much battery life is left with the 4 LED indicators. Now the battery itself, it slides right in here. Real easy to push in there. Got a little button here to release that. Also, it's got rubber grips and rubber accented with the yellow all throughout this. So it looks pretty cool. I like that. And it's with the rubber grips, it's just easy to hold, especially if you have gloves too. Now it does have a tube on the front. You can use, of course, with or without. But if you put it on there, you're just going to put it on there and it just snaps. This is different than the larger leaf blowers because we don't have a long tube. So this is really easy and compact to use. And it's variable speed with a trigger. So if you press it down just a little bit, you get a little power. And the more you press it down, the more power you get. So it's simple to use. Put in the battery, squeeze the trigger, and then you're ready to go. It's got a lot of power. It moves these leaves without any problem whatsoever. Year round, I get a lot of leaves and dust up here by my front door. So instead of using my broom, I just use this and it makes it so much easier. But I like that it's so powerful and compact, and I could just store this in my garage, and when I'm ready to use it, I just go. Hope you found this helpful.